Hi everyone, welcome back to Creative Crafts Niche. My name is Lourdes and here I'm finishing up my challenge. And so here we have the birthday thing, and it opens up like this, and you get to write something there. Here is the Christmas thing, and the birds open up like that, and this opens up like that, and then we have the mistletoe there, and then here we have the fall theme, and here we have our squirrel, and it opens up like that, and this is the tree, and the tree opens up like that, and then you can write something there. And let's see, okay, and then this is our Halloween theme, and this is our ghost pirate, this is our trick-or-treat bag, this is our haunted house, and this is our cloud with the word boo on it. I just remembered that there's like a little skull that's supposed to go here, but I forgot to cut that out, but that's okay. I can always put, you know, a little skull there later on. So now we're gonna finish with covering the center, and since they didn't have anything for Valentine's, and this is basically celebrating everything, see, because our sentiment here says, so I just wanted to celebrate all of it with you. And so I cut out this paper cardstock, and I got this paper cardstock from a different paper pad, and it is called the Bright and the Basic, and it looks like this. And so I cut this one out right here, and this I cut out at 3 3¾ by 3¾ because this one is going to cover this whole little section right there. It's going to clean it up nicely, just like that. And then we're going to take this one, which I cut at 3½ by 3½, and we're going to put that right there. And then we're going to take our little sentiment, and we're just going to put them like that, sideways. And that's how we're going to top off that section. So let's go ahead and do that. This I inked with the black marker from this same package here, the Recollection Signature Especial. And this one I also colored the foams. I do not have a stamp for this. I actually printed this on my computer and then cut it out on the Cricut craft room. Kind of feel like I'm forgetting something, but basically everything is gonna close up like this, like that. So it looks just like that, and look, you can even read it. So it'll open up like that, and then you can be able to write little things in there. You can write something there, and you can write something there, and something there with a white ink. And then this opens up like this, and you can write something here with white ink. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we're gonna set that aside. And I cut this paper up, and I scored this at 1 3/4 on each side, 1 3/4, and then in the middle it is almost 4 inches, so it's 1 2 3 inches and 14/16. Yeah, so that's what that is. What I took out was my Martha Stewart doily lace, and I'm going to be punching this out, the edges of this out with this. So that doesn't pair up right, but there's a technique that you can do, is that you can cut it slantways so that you can still glue it. So
Hey Mom, let's try.
it opens up like that.
Nah, why open it?
It's cool, right?
Yeah. Close it up.
Okay.
I don't like it.
You can see the little sentiment in there like that. It's cool, right, baby?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Bye.